Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the life and works of famous writers. And in this video, we are going to discuss Langston Hughes. Introduction. Langston Hughes was a pivotal figure in the Harlem Renaissance, an intellectual, literary and artistic movement in the 1920s. His work spanned multiple genres including poetry, novels, short stories, essays and plays. Hughes aimed to portray the realities of working-class black life, avoiding both idealization and negative stereotypes. His famous essay, The Negro Artist and the Racial Mountain, encapsulates his belief in expressing the true selves of black artists without fear or shame. Challenges and criticism. Despite his success, Hughes faced significant criticism, especially from black intellectuals. His early works, like Fine Clothes to the Jew, were criticized for depicting what some viewed as an unflattering portrayal of black life. In his autobiography, The Big C, Hughes reflects on these criticisms, highlighting the tension between the desire to present a polished image to white audiences and the need to depict the raw realities of black existence. Hughes's approach to black life. Hughes's writing captured the nuances of black life, particularly the lives of everyday people. His poetry often reflected the struggles and resilience of black Americans. As Hoyt W. Fuller noted, Hughes chose to identify with ordinary black people because he saw profound truth in their experiences. This connection to his community made him beloved among black readers, even as he faced challenges from critics. The creation of Simple. Hughes created the character of Jesse B. Sample or Simple as a way to explore the everyday life of a poor black man in Harlem. Simple's stories, told with humor and wit, offered insights into the struggles of being black in a racist society. The character became a beloved figure, reflecting the experiences and wisdom of ordinary black people. Hughes's use of Simple showcased his ability to blend social commentary with accessible storytelling. Famous poems. The Negro Speaks Rivers, 1921. Written when Hughes was just 17, this poem is one of his most famous works. It draws on the imagery of rivers to trace the deep and ancient history of black people, connecting their experiences to the dawn of civilization. The poem's refrain, "My soul has grown deep with the rivers," symbolizes the enduring strength and wisdom of black heritage. I Too, 1926. This powerful poem is a response to Walt Whitman's I Hear America Sing. In it, Hughes asserts the right of black Americans to be included in the American identity. The poem reflects the speaker's optimism that one day they will be fully recognized and respected as equals in society. The closing lines, "I too am America," emphasize the speaker's claim to belonging and dignity. Mother to Son, 1922. In this poem, a mother gives her son advice about perseverance. She describes her life as a difficult journey, using the metaphor of a staircase with tacks and splinters to represent her struggles. Despite the hardships, she encourages her son to keep climbing and not give up. The poem's colloquial language and rhythmic cadence make it a poignant expression of resilience and determination. Harlem, 1951. Also known as A Dream Deferred, this short but impactful poem questions what happens when dreams are postponed or unfulfilled. It uses vivid similes to describe various possibilities, each more devastating than the last, and ends with the powerful image of an explosion. The poem reflects the frustration and anger of black Americans who are denied their dreams, making it a cornerstone of Hughes's exploration of social injustice. Let America be America again. This poem critiques the American dream, highlighting the gap between its promises and the realities faced by marginalized groups, particularly Black Americans. Hughes expresses disillusionment with America's failure to live up to its ideals of freedom and equality, while also holding out hope for a future where those ideals might be realized for everyone. Legacy. Hughes was the first Black American to earn a living solely from his writing and public lectures, a testament to his popularity and impact. Despite the criticism he faced, his work resonated deeply with the Black community. His belief in the humanity of all people and his hope for a better world set him apart from more militant voices of his time. Hughes's work continues to be celebrated for its honesty, wit, and enduring relevance. Conclusion. Langston Hughes remains a towering figure in American literature, particularly within the context of Harlem Renaissance. His ability to capture the complexities of Black life, his innovative use of language and rhythm, and his commitment to expressing the true essence of Black identity have secured his place as a literary icon. Hughes's work not only reflects the struggles and triumphs of his time, but also continues to inspire future generations. So this was the discussion on the life and works of Langston Hughes. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other author. Until then, goodbye and thank you.